Yeah. Flat on the ground, stadium goes quiet. 1 second you're flying, next second you're fighting. Dreams on pause, everything's shaking. Heart still racing, but your body is breaking. Lights above you start to fade. Future blurred like a memory replayed. Why now? Keeps running in your head. When you were this close to the dream ahead. It's not just a knee, it's fear inside. Watching your whole world slowly slide. Teammates running, crowd screaming loud. While you're stuck in silence, lost in the crowd. Late night staring at the ceiling. Pain is physical, doubt is the real thing. But deep in the dark there's a spark that remains. A voice saying you were built for the pain. Every tear becomes fuel, every scar rewrites the rules. This isn't the end of the road, it's pressure turning cold to gold. You don't break, you bend, fall down, rise again. Champions aren't perfect men, they just fight through it again and again. I will rise, stronger than pain. I will fight again and again. If I fall, I stand up taller. My dream is bigger than the pressure. This is not the end of me, just a storm I'm walking through. I'll be back on that field, stronger than I ever knew. 6 a.m., ice on the knee. Rehab sessions, no sympathy, while the world keeps moving fast. He's rebuilding from the past. Sweat on the floor, teeth locked tight, turning frustration into fight. Every step hurts, every rep burns, but pain is the price of the lesson he learns. A father watching says nothing at all. A mother smiling but scared of the fall, because seeing your child on the ground hurts more than the injury found. But they both know what's inside, that fire no setback can hide. This is where his story ends, this is where the comeback begins. It's not the fall that defines your name, it's how you answer when life brings pain. And every parent understands, watching their child learn to stand. Dreams don't die when you hit the floor, they grow stronger than before. Storms don't last, they pass through, and what survives becomes brand new. I will rise, stronger than pain. No setback's gonna break my flame. If I fall, I stand again. My dream is bigger than the pain. I'll step back on that field one day, and fire in my eyes, no fear.